Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're going to look at examining two of those topics, ClickUp and Notion. We're going to examine them both, compare them and see which is best for you. Let's go. Let's start with ClickUp. You see, ClickUp focuses on project management and task management. The strengths include robust feature sets, extensive features like Gantt, time tracking, resource management, and advanced automation. It has it's very powerful for teams. So the strengths are robust feature sets, powerful for teams, it's excellent for collaboration and teamwork. Features like workspaces, customizable dashboards, and granular permissions. It's also scalable. It can accommodate teams of all sizes and complexity of projects. It has a free plan, so it offers generous free plan for individuals and small teams. Those are the four strengths or pros of using Notion, of using ClickUp actually. Let's look at the weaknesses of ClickUp. Number one, steeper learning curve. It can be overwhelming for beginners due to the sheer number of features it has. Then, interface can feel cluttered sometimes. It can become complex and difficult to navigate for some users. So those are the two disadvantages or weaknesses of ClickUp. Now let's look at Notion. You see, Notion focuses on all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, wikis, databases, and more. And look at its strengths. It is highly customizable, so it is extremely flexible and adaptable to various workflows and use cases. Number two, it has beautiful and intuitive interface, visually appealing and easy to navigate for most users. Then third advantage, or what I say strength, is that it is excellent for personal use. It is ideal for personal organization, note-taking, and knowledge management. Then the next one is that it has strong collaboration features. It supports real-time collaboration and knowledge sharing within teams. So those are the four strengths of Notion. Look at the weaknesses. One, it is less robust for complex projects. So while it is capable, it may not be as feature-rich as ClickUp for managing highly complex projects with intricate dependencies. Next weakness is that project management features can be limited. While it is still improving, Notion's project management features may not be as robust or as dedicated as project management tools. So let's move on. Which is best? If we look at all of them, look at their pros, their cons, let's look at which do you think is best. Let's start with ClickUp. ClickUp is best for teams prioritizing project management, task management, and robust collaboration features. It is ideal for agile teams and software development teams, marketing teams, and businesses with complex workflows. While Notion is best for individuals, small teams, and those seeking a more flexible and all-in-one workspace. It's ideal for note-taking, knowledge management, personal organization, and less complex projects. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. Consider your team size, the complexity of your project, and your budget when making your decision. You might even consider using both tools for different purposes within your organization. You can start to use ClickUp and you can start to use Notion too. I recommend trying both tools with their free plans to see which one better suits your workflow and preferences. Hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.